you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So you guys, as you read by the title, I'm gonna be sharing you guys how I accomplished this style. I haven't worn bangs in like forever, and this the color I used to rock, guys, the blonde, all the time. So yeah, I decided to get this color. So if you want to see how I accomplished this look, here I'm rocking something very affordable I grabbed because this is like a short hairstyle that I might not even keep long. So don't go out there spending a lot of money think you got to get some expensive hair for this look. You rich, you really don't. I got this micro perm yaki texture kind of hair. The reason why I did get this type of hair because it blended so well with the top knot bun. I always do my top knot buns with braiding hair. This was braiding hair, and it like it's the same type of hair, and it blended it so well. And so that's why I got this hair. I didn't want nothing too silky because it probably wouldn't blend too well. But anyway, and this is the color 427. If you're wondering what that color it is. And yes, and I want to say this too. When you do your bangs, making sure that you curving your bangs because you don't want no tracks out or anything like that. And it definitely, if you don't want to have your real hair out, to cover up the tracks. So you're going to just go small, which you guys will see. So yeah, make sure you curve your tracks. And this will be your best friend. Get you a razor comb. It worked so well. So it can give you that fridge looking type of bang. I didn't want to cut this hair too much because it already was short. So I did go over it a little bit and I kind of like bumped it, but not too much. Yeah, and it was very easy. So let me just stop talking because I know how it is, because I don't like watching hair videos where they just talking too damn much and we just want them to get to the point, right? But I just wanted to, but if you do have any questions, if I left anything out, please comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think of this look. Yeah, I just don't want to miss anything. And shout out to my mama for giving me this razor comb because the girl needed it, okay? Because scissors, I did use the scissors, but it ain't nothing like this razor comb to get you right. So, alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and let's just go see how I did this look, okay?